In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MetaMask on Opensea. By the end, you'll have MetaMask added to your browser using the flow that starts right inside Opensea, which keeps things simple and ensures you're connecting through the official path. Begin by heading to Opensea. Once the site loads, look to the top right of the page and click the profile icon. That opens the account menu you'll use to connect a wallet. In that menu, click Link Wallet. On the next screen, choose Link a Wallet. You'll see a list of wallet options that Opensea supports. Select MetaMask from that list. If MetaMask isn't already installed in your browser, OpenSea will guide you to the official MetaMask website so you can add it. On the MetaMask page, click Get Started. This takes you to the download options. Choose Google Chrome as your browser option so you're directed to the Chrome Web Store listing for MetaMask. Before installing any extension, make sure you're on the legitimate listing from the official publisher and that the URL is from the Chrome Web Store. This is an important security check whenever you install a wallet or any browser add-on. In the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Your browser will ask you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The download will begin, and within a few moments, MetaMask will be installed. You'll see a confirmation from Chrome, and MetaMask may open a Welcome tab. That's normal and indicates the extension is ready to use. At this point, MetaMask is installed in your browser and available to connect to OpenSea. If you like to keep things handy, you can manage your browser extensions and make sure MetaMask is visible on your toolbar so it's easy to access later. If you're using a different Chromium-based browser, the process is similar, but always follow the prompts shown on your screen. A quick note on safety: only install MetaMask from the official site or the verified Chrome Web Store listing, keep your browser up to date, and never share any secret recovery phrases or private keys with anyone. You won't need to type sensitive information into OpenSea just to install the extension. That's it. You started from OpenSea, selected MetaMask, clicked Get Started, chose Google Chrome, added the extension, and confirmed the install. You're now set up to use MetaMask alongside OpenSea using this straightforward, secure path.